So here's an example how you can use your Tapo Smart Wi-Fi light bulb with a dimmer. Here, see that I have already working, and you take a look here at the Tapo app. You can see the brightness. I can control from here, for example. And I can even control here from this dimmer. So super simple. I just turn the knob and start controlling the brightness. And I can even come here and press to turn it off, and then back on, and do something like a double click. So change it to a random color. There we go. Turn off again. Just one click to turn it on or turn it off, right? And double click is going to change the colors. So double click here, change the color back there. And I can also control the brightness. It takes a while to show here on the app, but you see immediately on the lamp that's being controlled, right? Super simple to work with this dimmer.